Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Eagle Eye FX, whereby we provide you with educational content on Forex. So thank you so much guys for passing by. And in today's video, I want to share something very powerful that I learned a couple of weeks ago, and I felt it's good to share because sharing is caring. So last week or this week, we've had some very good winnings on GBP AUD, and that is what I want to show you. I want to show you a strategy that I learned, and I believe is going to help you. I am one person, when I'm trading, I like to see some confirmation. If I don't see a confirmation, then I don't enter the market. Also guys, remember to like and to subscribe to our channel so that you can help us to grow. And also remember, we have a free Telegram channel whereby we offer some free signals. You'll find the link on the description below. So let me go to the 4-hour time frame, and on the 4-hour time frame you can see that I saw something on the 4-hour time frame. I noticed, I was looking at the movement of this market, and I realized that when the market reached here, it was pushed to the down. Then when it got here, it was pushed to the up. Then it broke. This acted before, it acted this acted as a resistance, but when it got here, it was able to break. And then now it acted as a support. All right, so this became a very a sensitive place for me that I was observing. So when this market came all the way here, you see it came back again up. So I was expecting this market to come down up to this place before it goes up again. Now, so I was on the 1-hour time frame. So actually I drew my zones from the 4-hour time frame because I observed that this was a very strong place which was broken, so I was expecting it. If this market has gone down, I was expecting it to come all the way here. So I was actually on the 1-hour time frame, and then I saw something. Let me go rush there quickly. I was on the 1-hour time frame, and I drew this line here. I drew this supporting line here because I had observed something. I observed that every time, anytime the market reaches here, it goes up. Here, it goes up. But now I observed something. I observed something that this time round, the market came down and broke this line here, this support trend line. Now another thing that I observed is that I observe a very strong bearish movement. If you look at it, you see that very strong bearish movement to the downside. So the market came down with a lot of force, so and then it broke this structure. So when it broke the structure, I was observing it to see if I can enter sell, if I can get some selling opportunities. So I did not just enter sell immediately, because one of the things you must understand that this could have been a fake out, comes this way up, then consolidates, and then goes back to where it had come from. So what I did is that I waited for it. Then I saw this bullish candle. Then I saw some very strong, if you look at it, I saw some 3 strong bearish candles. So what did I do? I went down further, and this is a strategy that I was telling you guys that I learned recently. I went to the 15 minutes time frame, to look for my confirmation, because I did not just want to enter the market without any confirmation. So I went to the 15. Then I saw that I saw something here. I saw that the market came, then came down again, and went back as if it was a retest. It formed something. So I was expecting another push down. It's sort of like some M formation. So it formed M formation. So sorry for that. It formed some sort of M formation. So yeah, so I went further down to the 5 minutes, This was all the reason why I was doing all this. I was trying to get some confirmation, something to give me some confirmation to either sell or to buy. Now when I went to the 5 minutes time frame, I observed something here, and let me show you. And that's the reason why I drew this here. I drew this zone here because I observed something. I saw a V formation, or you can say it was almost coming to form an M formation. So I was expecting this M to be completed like that, right? But the reason why I took this trade is because when the market reached here, it was rejected to the down, and then it came back again, and then I saw this as a double top. In fact, the reason why I took this trade is because of this double top that was formed over there. So immediately I saw this. Let me show you just a minute. Immediately I saw this candle, immediately this candlestick closed. That is when I entered my sell, and then I targeted down. Normally I go for 1:3 RR, so I was 1:3, but the moment the market reached here, let me show you. The moment the market reached here, here, as you can see, it came, then came back again. I was still holding it, came back again, and then here there was also another opportunity. There was another opportunity to enter another sell here, another opportunity to enter another sell over there, but I was just holding it to see how it's gonna behave, and then it came down strongly until it reached this zone. This was the 4-hour zone. It was a 4-hour time frame zone, and it came down all the way up to this part. Now when it reached this part, that is the time that I exited, because I noticed that when you go to the 4-hour time frame, one of the things I noticed is that the push to the upwards, this push to the upwards was from the 4-hour time frame. So the moment the market reached here, this was a very strong zone. I knew that the market is gonna push up again. All right, so that is the reason why I exited at that particular point, and you can see that after that, the market came back, and if you could have still been holding, you see that you could have been stopped out, because you see it came all the way up and came to hit our stop loss. Before now it has gone back down again, but we exited at somewhere around there when it reached here, this 4-hour time frame. That is when we exited, and it was a beautiful 4.72 RR. So the strategy here is, I saw an opportunity on the 1-hour time frame. That is what I wanted to show you guys. I saw an opportunity on the 1-hour time frame. What did I see? I saw a level that was being respected on the 1-hour time frame. I saw it being broken and the market coming to test. So this was a break and a retest. So I knew that this was an opportunity for me to sell. But I did not just enter sell blindly. I went down further, the 15 minutes time frame to the 5 minutes time frame, and that is when I saw this double bottom formation, double bottom on the 5 minutes time frame, and that is the reason why I decided to enter my sell immediately. This candlestick, let me remove this. Immediately this candlestick closed below, as you can see. If I zoom this, you see that I saw this candlestick. You see, it closed below this level. That is the time that I put on my short position or my sell position, and I went for 1:4 RR, and it was a beautiful win for us. As you can see, we won very nice because it came all the way down to here. Sorry, that was opposite. Sorry, it was here, somewhere around here, and then went all the way down there. So yeah, guys, so that is what I wanted to share with you today. You see an opportunity, don't just jump into the market, because this could have been a fake out, because if you look here, you see that there was also some sort of fake out before. You see, so I didn't, even though the market broke here, I did not just enter immediately. I waited to see some sort of confirmation, and my confirmation for me here was this double top, and you can see that it came to test again this place. So this was also another place we could have entered another sell, and it went down up to this part before it formed another double bottom, and then now it has been buying since then. All right, guys, so thank you very much. It was just a strategy that I learned about, going to lower time frames further down, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, to just go and look if you see some sort of confirmation, maybe from either candlesticks or some formation, double top, all these kind of things. So yeah, and that is the reason why I took this trade, and we won beautifully. So thank you guys for watching. And remember to like, and remember to subscribe, remember to share, remember to join our free Telegram group. The link is on the description below. And yeah, let's win together. All right, okay, God bless you.